to start doing a little bit more deep diving on specific coins, specifically some that I like, some that I hold in my portfolio, and some that I think has a very pretty good upside. So today I want to talk about Super. Used to be called Super Farm, as we see here, but it has been rebranded to the Superverse. If you know Elliot Trades, I'm not sure which one it is. You know, he is the founder or co-founder, or he has some big role in this project. So I do watch him. I really do think he's very knowledgeable in this space. He seems pretty trustworthy, but you know, in crypto and investments, you cannot really go off how you feel personally. You let the charts and the fundamentals do the talking for you. So let's talk about Superverse. Super, ticker symbol Super, SUPER. Right now on the daily, it's up 2% at 95.49 cent, almost 96 cent. The market cap is 465,771,490. Circulating supply is 487,776,093, and this is 48% of the circulating supply that is out. The max supply is 1 billion, so the fully diluted market cap is a little under $1 billion. So let's look at the technicals first. Let's look at the chart first, and let's see what I'm looking at in the immediate short term for Superverse. So we got this massive move here. When was this? At the end or at the beginning of the year, we came all the way up from 55 cent, and we went all the way up to $1.61. Then now we've just been down. So we're in a downtrend right now. We're in a downtrend. Then we had that small little move. What day was that? A couple weeks ago, where we went all the way back down to about 72 cents. So this right here, this area right here, is a massive SR flip. So as long as we're holding this, as long as we're holding this level for the duration of the bull run, Super is looking good. We are, like I said, on a downtrend on the daily. Right now, we're basically at the midpoint of this range, if you want to call it. If you want to draw some type of range in this area here. So what would be my buy areas? What am I looking for in the immediate short term? So if we come back down anywhere between, I'd say 65 and 70 cent will be a good buy zone. So let's actually type that out. So we can say 0.65 through 0.7, let's say just 0.75 would be our buy areas, or a buy area. So with that being said, you know, I'm not sure if crypto has fully recovered from that massive move that we saw not too long ago. So I'm not too sure if Bitcoin has recovered all the way, or is not going to drop back down in the bull run. We know we have these massive drawdowns, these massive price swings, these massive price movements. But if we can seem or manage to come back down to this 0.65 to 0.75 area, that will be my buy area. We had massive resistance here all the way from December until February. So we have hit our head here 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about 5 times, and then we finally broke through, and then we went all the way up, like I said, to $1.65, and now we're in this downtrend. So what I like to see for a trade, if you want to trade a swing trade, a nice swing trade for Super, we will be looking for a breakout of this downtrend, this downward sloping trend line, a retest, and then break out of there like that. So that's what I'll be looking for a short-term play, a short-term swing trade, or short-term just trade in general. I do like this for the long term. I do like this to do actually very well this bull run. I think gaming hasn't even touched the surface of where it could go, and with like I said, with Elliot Trades being one of the biggest influencers in the space, in the crypto space, you have to take that into account. You have to take that into account. You have to take these things into account. You have to put the technicals and the fundamentals together and put it, into your analysis. So where do I think this could go? I actually use this market cap calculator. A lot of people don't use this. A lot of people don't really implement market cap, circulating supply, and implement realistic goals for their project, for their price predictions and whatnot. They just make price predictions, and with no backing, no analysis, not knowing how to even calculate market cap and circulating supply and how to keep it on the realistic side. Barring crypto just goes absolutely bonkers and absolutely nuts, and just everything just goes 2017 crazy. But with market dilution nowadays, so many coins, so many different projects, it's hard for the market to just do that like it did in 2017. 2020 we had, 2021 we had an underwhelming bull run. It was a nice run, but a lot of people thought a lot of these coins were going to do massive more returns than they did, and they didn't, and it's just getting more and more diluted as the time goes along. But if we come over to coinguides.org/market cap calculator, this is what I use in order to formulate some of my conclusions and formulate some of my price predictions. I hate to say that, but some realistic price predictions that I have. So right now we have Superverse at 95 cents. The circulating supply is at about 487. Let's actually go over and make 487 circulating supply. Yep. And then the market cap is 463, 387, 288. So let's check. 487 market cap 466. So that's about right. That's close enough, so we can get a pretty much idea. So let's see. So let's say we got to $5, which is very doable. I think that's very doable. Let's actually say Superverse got to $5. That would only be a market cap of about almost 2.5 billion, which I think is very, very, very doable for a project like this, with the technicals and the fundamentals. So that would just be from this point where we're at. Let's actually take the measurement tool and let's actually go and see how far that would be. That would be a $576% move from here, which is doable. So that's $2.5 billion market cap. I really think that's doable. Especially if gaming starts to take off like I think it might take off, especially if the crypto market starts taking off like I think it's going to take off, especially if money printing starts to print like I think it's going to print. There might be some short-term downside within this time, but ultimately I do think that crypto will go crazy, and I think gaming will be one of the ones. Once the narrative comes back around, I think gaming will blast off, and I think Superverse will be one of the top ones to get into. Now, as far as the gameplay, as far as everything going on along with it, I don't know about the gameplay. It just says Superverse native blockchain is a custom tailored for gaming with lightning fast, low cost transactions. Being a super holder, members can govern over existing on-chain product fees, unlock exclusive events, and earn custom gaming rewards across their gaming partner ecosystem. So like I said, I'm not really too well versed on the actual fundamentals of the actual game, or games under this, or whatever they have going on in the Superverse ecosystem. But what I'm putting my analysis with is, like I said, with Ilio Trades being a massive content creator, the chart is looking primed and ready, and then I'm definitely betting on gaming to do very, very well. So I think 2.5 billion, a $2.5 billion market cap is not too far-fetched. So if it was at $10, it would almost be a $5 billion market cap. So that's, pushing it a little bit for me. Like I said, with so many of the games and so many of the crypto tokens out there so far, or out there now, this market is getting very diluted. I see a lot of gaming coins popping up. I see just a lot of coins in general. So we can do this. Let's actually go to the beginning. Let's go to the home page, and then we can look at gaming. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can go by sector. So we have Immutable X, Floki. I didn't know that was a game. Gala, Beam, Multiverse, Axie. So these are the top coins by market cap. Ronin. So what's the top one? The top one is Immutable X, and that's already at a 3 billion market cap. So I definitely think Super can, get up there to a 3 billion. It's already at number 142 on the list cryptocurrency. So I'm definitely thinking, if gaming goes the way I think it's going to go, it could get to at least a 2.5 to a $3 billion market cap. And that would be at about $5 for Superverse, a 576% gain. So if you like Superverse, let me know what you think in the bottom, in the comments. And yeah, just let me know what you think. Let me know if you think gaming is going to be one of the sectors that's going to run hard massively. We already talk about AI all the time. We talk about real world assets. I think DePIN and gaming have been lagging behind a little bit. So I do think that their time will come, and that, they will have their time in the sun and their time to shine. So that's just one of the things I've been looking at. I'm gonna start doing, like I said, a lot more smaller deep dives into these coins, and just publishing them out on YouTube, because this is how I usually do my analysis and I do my research, my due diligence. I don't really go super in depth. I look at the charts, I look at some of the fundamentals, I look at market cap, I look at circulating supply, and then that's how I formulate how much or how many X's I think I can get out of that particular project, particular token, or particular coin. So thank you for watching, man. This is FDY, aka Crypto Funds. Make sure you like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, if you found my research and how I research and analyze and do my due diligence. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.